Hi, welcome to my quick training overview. My name is Donnie Somerville, and my team is the Global FX Trade Club. We're here to present some information to you to show you how quickly you can make an extra $500 to $1,000 or more per month by simply copy, pasting, and making money with us. I want to show you here is our quick back office. Basically, one of the things you're going to get is education. So we're going to educate you about the Forex market, cryptocurrencies, a little bit about commodities, indices, even how to make money when it comes to the stock market. Okay, so we'll show you all that. One of the things I do want to show you though is our trade alerts. Basically, this is where you're going to receive what we call our signals. I just want to show you something here where if you were to look from February up until today, which is the 7th, you'll see at the top here where we had 50 wins. We even show you the losses, okay? These are all the trades that came through. Our total pip count was 2,884 pips. What does that mean? That means if you were to, for lack of better words, I know you're new, for lack of better words, had placed a dollar wager, you would have made $2,884 last month, even though we had 50 wins and we took 12 losses. A dollar per pip is almost 2,800, almost $3,000 had you taken every single trade. Now, let me show this to you. Basically, when these trades come, what you're going to do is you're going to receive them right here in the Telegram group, which is simply an app that you'll download. Let's look at this bottom here. Tradera Trade Alerts. It reads, Tradera's trade team is placing a buy trade on AUD JPY at current market price with the following parameters, and you'll see the parameters. Now, let me explain what that simply means. AUD JPY is simply a pair that we're going to put in a buy on. So what we simply do is we go over to our MetaTrader 4, which is an app that you'll download as well. And we find AUD JPY. And as you can see, I put mine in alphabetical order, so it makes it really easy to find. You simply then hold down, click Open Chart, and we are now on AUD JPY. Now, at the top right-hand corner, there will be a plus button if you're on Android. You simply click the plus button, and it shows you, now these are where we're going to enter the parameters that it gave us. Market execution simply means we're going to put in a trade right when it calls. So when you receive that trade in the Telegram group, my recommendation is to put that in within the first 10 to 15 minutes of you receiving it, okay? So we're going to say stop loss 70.727. So what we do is we go over here, and before I do that, in the middle button, you see 0.10. If you have at least $200 in your trade account, that means you can do a dollar per pip. If you only have $100 in your trade account, then I recommend doing 0.05, which means 50 cents per wager. Okay. So let's say you have at least $200 in your account. So we'll do 0.10. And now we're going to put in our stop loss. Remember, our stop loss is 70.727. So right here where the red line is, you'll simply click the little plus button. You then back out what's in there and put 70.727. We'll go back over. We'll look at our take profit. Now, I always use take profit 1. You'll see it gives you take profit 1, 2, and 3. When you become a little bit more advanced, you'll be able to use take profit 2 and 3. But for right now, if you're new, I just want you to concentrate on take profit 1. So that's 71,207. We'll go back to our MetaTrader 4. We'll click the little plus button under the green, and we'll put that 71.207. Now, it told us to buy. So right now we would click the buy button. As I am recording this video, it's a Saturday, which means the market is closed. The market for the foreign exchange market is open 24/7, 5 days a week. So it closes Friday at 4 p.m., but it will reopen Sunday at 4 p.m. and it never closes. So it's open all day, all night, up until Friday again at 4 p.m. But this told us to put in a buy. So at this point, we would click buy. As you can see, the market is closed. Had it not been closed, you would have put your order in, guys. And at that point, that's all you need to do. If you would have catch every single pip that was called last month, just by doing what I showed you, you could have made close to $2,800 last month. And let's just say it wasn't 28. Let's say you only caught half of that, right? That's a little bit over $1,400, $1,500 that you would made simply by copying what you see, pasting it here, and you would have made profit. Guys, thank you so much for looking at this video. I hope you learned something, and get back to the person who shared this with you and say, you know what? I'm interested in simply making money with your copy and paste program. Again, my name is Donnie. Thank you so much for joining us.